this is a cooking elf with my assistant, the leprechaun cameraman. I'm going to take a chocolate box cake and transform it into one of the best bakery cakes you've ever had. No more bland chocolate cake from a box. It's easy and there are only 6 ingredients. 1 box of chocolate cake mix, 1.5 cups of whole chocolate milk, 2 sticks of butter, 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, and a package of instant chocolate pudding. Let's get started. First, take the 2 sticks of butter, put them in a bowl, and nuke them for 45 seconds. Then you're going to dump your cake mix into a large bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Don't leave out the salt, it brings out the flavor. Then add your chocolate pudding mix, the 4 eggs, your 1.5 cups of chocolate milk, and that melted butter. We are almost done. All you gotta do now is stir to combine. You want to spray your baking dish. I use my 9x13 Pyrex, but any baking pan will do. Then you want to pour the batter and spread it out evenly. Put it in the oven at 375, and don't forget to set that timer for 35 minutes, and in no time you will be surprised just how full of flavored and good this cake is. It looks great. Now I'm going to top mine with some ice cream, whipped cream, and chocolate syrup. Or you can add frosting if you like, which would also be good. This cake is great out of the oven or warm, but it is not good cold or refrigerated. All you have to do if you do refrigerate it is nuke it for about 25 seconds per piece, and it'll return back to the bakery style cake, but better. And here's the recipe. Stay tuned for more magical recipes coming to you soon.